So today I went to Sam's Club to do the TikTok hack that's going around with their meat, even though my mom has been doing this well over 40 years, but now it's going around on TikTok with Sam's Club. So I wanted to see how many meals I can get out of this. I went to Sam's Club and got their 10-pound roll of meat, which this is half of it, and I am cooking the other half, which is 5 pounds. I also am searing a roast for dinner today. We're going to have beef stew. And this is the other roast that came in there. And I am going to cut it in half to get 2 meals out of that also. So that one roast will give me 3 meals. I'm doing a little TikTok hack of the vacuum seal on all of my meat because I don't have a vacuum sealer. This is the pack of wings in 2-gallon bags. I'm going to explain it later in this video of what all I got and how much everything was. But I got some drumsticks and some chicken breasts also that I vacuum sealed. I got my daughter to help me to cut up the chicken breasts, and we're going to cook that also because it's just easier to have it already cooked for the meals and in the freezer. So if we want to make different meals throughout the month, we don't have to worry about cooking it. My son is helping me bag up the ground beef. I'm also going to explain that at the end of the video of how many pounds and how many bags we got out of that also. Okay, so here is the final product of my Sam's Club meat haul. I got 4 bags of chicken breasts cooked. Each one has about two chicken breasts in there cut up. I have this like this because of if you just want to take something out the freezer and unthaw it and have like salads, chicken and rice, stir fry, anything. That's 4 different meals right there. The hamburger, the 10 pounds, we put a little over 2 pounds in each one. So this is 4 meals. Taco, spaghetti, chili. If we're gonna make something small like spaghetti that doesn't need too much meat, we might actually just break one of these in half as frozen, and keep it in the freezer. That's the one good thing about cooking it when you freeze it, because you can literally just break it off and without unfreezing it, the whole thing. Out of that pack of roast, it was 1 small roast, which is in the oven, and that's what we're having for dinner. We're gonna have a beef stew, but I cut the stew in half. The roast in half so that it can have like equal parts of the cut. So that's 2 more meals. Out of the wings, I got 2. These are gallon size. I got 2 gallon size bags of wings. It's 9 in each. And I also have chicken legs. I have 3 bags of chicken legs. It's 5 in one, 6 in one, and 3 in the other. The one that has 3 in it is because of they're big, so we don't like to eat the big wings baked or fried. Legs baked or fried. So we will have chicken noodles or something with that. And then I'm not sure if I said wings or legs, but these are all legs. So this would be the reason why there's 5 and 6 in there, because I would do, when we have dinner, it's 5 to 7 of us in the house at any given time. So I would do 1 pack of wings with 1 pack of legs, like if I was to fry them or bake them or grill them. But anyway, that is the entire haul minus the roast that's in the oven.